are very individualistic, independent, competitive culture. In the Philippines, it feels much more like a community. You see more people helping each other. You see people sharing, especially with food. And this seems to be very helpful with kids. If you see a young mother who needs to work, usually brothers and sisters,
Ayan.
parents, grandparents will help
Ayan ang alaga ko.
while the mother goes and works. In the U.S., this is not as
Favorite niyang igaan. Ito ang igaan namin.
even if the family doesn't live together,
Magkatabi sila lagi.
they still party together. They still hang out regularly. Whether it's a lechon fiesta, a
Ayan
festival,
talaga. Feel na feel niya talagang matulog
a beach party.
dito.
In the Philippines, you often see the entire family hanging out together. In the U.S., it's much less common for us to hang out with our family. Unless it's Christmas, Thanksgiving, specific holiday, maybe a birthday when you're older. For me personally, I prefer this
Musta, De?
this family
De?
culture. Let me know what you
De?
think. Do you prefer the American
Musta pagkatabi mo yan?
or the Filipino family?
Ano masasabi mo?
Kupal yan.
Bakit kubal?
Muutot yan, medyo. Gagi yan. Diba? Kupal yan. May ganyan pa yun. Dibang ko pa yan.
Tapos yung pit niya. Ayan, yung pit niya. Katabi yun. O, di ba? Ayaw magpa-istorbo. O.